Hey folks, I'm Walter, your travel advisor, talking about those super cheap cruise prices that you keep seeing on those super cheap websites that are not super cheap at all. Here, I'm going to show you a real example from yesterday. My client is a solo traveler and I presented the Norwegian Joy leaving Los Angeles February 5th, 2023. My price, $929 for a solo cabin. And my client's response was, hey, I just got a flyer. They're going to sell me the same cabin for $399. Why is yours so much higher? And I said, it's not. I'll show you. Now here's the actual deal from their website. They're showing a $3,200 brochure price all the way down to $399 for the inside cabin. Now first of all, that brochure price, nobody uses that. That is literally the full fair price of the cabin. Even Norwegian doesn't show that in their pricing, and I'll show you that in just a second. That $399 is based on double occupancy. That's 2 people in the cabin. So the first thing we need to do is switch over to a solo traveler. Now the price changes to $599. And my starting price for the same cabin is $598.50. So right off the bat, I'm starting off 50 cents cheaper. And you'll also notice on this page, the actual published price is $1,070 for this cabin. And they're taking off about $471, which brings it down to $598.50. That's another game these super cheap cruise line sites do. They publish the big scary brochure price that nobody ever uses to make it look like, oh my God, I'm saving all this money. But the actual published price is really $1,070 for this particular cabin. Next, we have to add in the port fees and the taxes, which are a little over $191. And then I added in the gratuities so that there's no surprises at the end of the cruise. And that's how a cabin that's $598.50 ends up being $927 at the end of the process. I don't play that game of I'm gonna bait you with this super low price and then add all the taxes later. I'm gonna show you the full price right up front so that there's no surprises. So the moral of the story is those super cheap prices you see out there are not necessarily super cheap, nor are they any different than what we as travel agents can get, because the cruise lines control all of the pricing. Nobody can cut the price of a cabin other than the cruise lines themselves. I hope that information was helpful. Thanks so much for watching.